contact during conflict. I'm a disaster, fight for clean water. Now that's a battle rapper, red blood, red skin, highly forsaken. You talking, I walk, that's the difference. I put my people on my back, got my home nation knowing they're the reason that I rap. Tell me what you rapping for. If you ain't in it for change, then don't bring about the score. Ain't no reason for you to ever go tour if you rap like Little B and talk that folklore. Whoa, baddest savage, still breathing, red skin with a battle cry here for every season. Chief, hell no angel star, no spangle, never had no angles, just bars and fans faithful. It's always family over everything. Family is the motivation in my pain medicine. Never afraid to go and get it in. Never been a lame, and a lame is what I never been. I do this for my dead relatives and every warrior stuck in on our land settlement. I hope you understand the beast that is awoken is a proud native and never mistaken for a token. If you're looking for a problem, then I think you might have found him. I'ma always stand up and let them know I am astounding. No, you ain't met a native who was conquering top Villanova offerings. Imagine another stopping me. I've been the topic of prophecies, ancient Indian philosophies, to find the words and toss at thee. I am a cocky being a being of Hogwarts kings. My lack of father figure made my future not so clean. Stuck to a hollow dream, stumbled through my first 16. That was written out of pain, that started when I reached my teens. Stayed on a solo mission, life taught me to go the distance. Way before Kevin Costner was told from a ghostly vision. Can't say my pot to pissin', wasn't porcelain. Treat you like burgundy and fracture you up, but don't some years. Redskin more for years, minus the black trench. Point to left field, start crushing the first pitch. You know life can just switch, it all depends on the circle that you keep, minus family and friends. You're only as strong as your weakest link, and if you think I'm